What's up everybody, it's Colin here. I just wanted to show you this quick video where I talk about the forum. So as most of you probably know, I've spoken about the forum a couple of times. I'm currently in the process of developing the forum with an official developer, so I'm making it happen. It's about 5-figure project, setting it up, maintaining it, running it obviously. But I would like to give you some background information why I chose to build a forum and why I think it's beneficial for our community. So as you know, Facebook and YouTube are the biggest traffic sources for my audience right now. So YouTube is growing very fast because I make a lot of content. The Facebook group is also growing faster even than the YouTube channel because of a lot of referrals, and a lot of people are searching for CPA marketing, affiliate marketing stuff on Facebook. However, I really want to separate myself from Facebook. Right now, what I look at is that my entire business is depending on Facebook. So if Facebook would go down for whatever reason, I would basically lose all my business and obviously have a backup plan and all that. But that's not really what I want. I want a separate product, which is in line with like topic number 5, black hat information. Facebook is very controlling in what I can and cannot say. So as you guys know, I'm very active on my personal Facebook page and also in the Facebook group. I probably get blocked about 3 times a day because I'm posting spam. While I'm just posting so much more than other people are, so relatively I get marked as spam quite fast. I don't know what the trigger for that is, but it's quite annoying as you can imagine. Sometimes I cannot reply to messages, sometimes I cannot post, and obviously I would like to structure that. To do that, to move to a community that I control and I take down whenever I want, or obviously post in wherever I want, would for me open up a very good opportunity to not only discuss things I want to say, but also collect a bigger community. So instead of sending everybody from YouTube to Facebook, which is basically moving it from one social network to the other, moving it in my private community, which I control. And I think as a marketer, as a owner of communities, I want to have the freedom to show you guys whatever I want. So if I want to post, let's say, a 12-hour video, doing that on YouTube would take a very considerate amount of time, and uploading a zip file that everybody can download in the forum would be quite easy. A bigger community also means that there need to be rules that I can make. And Facebook obviously has their own rules. But if I want to post a link to a specific page that Facebook doesn't like, for instance, last time I tried to post an advertorial, which you can download, HTML, but Facebook flagged it and therefore you couldn't even see the URL. I couldn't post a message basically. And that is obviously quite annoying. All I'm now trying to do is help. Facebook is being annoying. In that sense, a bigger of a community would mean that obviously I have set up a moderator team. Everybody's ready to get this going. And obviously, as soon as you, for me personally, in my CPA marketing business, affiliate marketing, side hustles, you meet people. So there are tons of big players making over 100K per month, which are ready to join in. So in this sense, you will not only be learning from me, but they will also share their experiences. You basically get one big pile, one big community of either super affiliates or people trying to reach that level. And I think that is something I really have for a vision. It probably will take a year or 2 to achieve like a full-grown community, but it gives you the opportunity to do so. With the growth of the audience as it's going right now, I'm incorporating a blog soon, I'm posting on LinkedIn as well. There will be so much more interest, and therefore I think this is a smart move. When I talk about case studies, I talk about extensive case studies which I basically cannot post on Facebook because they're too long and they're not really for YouTube videos, if you know what I mean. It contains information which is not shared in public. It needs some form of security layer so I can control it. If I want to take it down, I can take it down. From YouTube, you can easily download it. Like if you make screenshots of it inside the forum, that's fine. You can copy and paste the text, but I don't want the mass availability of those kind of things because they're not illegal, but they're close to illegal practices. Obviously, it's like you're walking on thin ice. So what I thought about, like I asked in the Facebook group what the prices should be like, and I've decided to make it 27 euros a month, which means $30 a month. And you get the opportunity to subscribe for a year, obviously with a discount, but you can also buy a lifetime access. Obviously at the beginning, when I need some flow, like the first 1,000 people will probably get a significant discount when they either buy yearly or lifetime. I will be posting a lot more YouTube videos about the forum once it's live, and obviously in the Facebook group I will be communicating it as well. But one of the most interesting things I think is that I offer recurring commissions on this forum. So if you sign up, any of your friends, anybody you know except yourself, you get 50% lifetime recurring. So if somebody pays $30 a month, of that you get $15, which I still have to set up the entire backend on that with the developer. But I think that is a huge aspect when it comes to an affiliate forum. Obviously you need an affiliate program. Basically, so why I'm doing this is to give you information which is not possible on Facebook and it's not possible on YouTube. However, I think the information is so beneficial that I'm building this entire forum just to share like 3 to 5 techniques I know which are going to make a huge difference inside your business. These techniques are not found anywhere else probably. Maybe in STM forum, maybe AffLift, like the bigger affiliate forums, maybe Digital Marketer, but you need to dig and dig and dig, and it's probably without the personal experience. So I can combine the black hat information, or gray hat as I like to call it. It's not against the rules, but it's not according to the guidelines either, inside a case study. So I can tell you from my own experience what is happening. And one thing I truly love is a follow along. So I launch a campaign and every day I just write the data. I don't show you everything, but I tell you the numbers. What's the ROI? What's the cost? What's the profit? All that stuff, the geo, the offer, but I don't show you anything like I do on YouTube. In that sense, you just learn by reading data and learn from my experiences. And not only me, probably close to 100 other big affiliates. So obviously I've been spreading the word, making connections with people. And therefore I think once the forum opens, I will put a lock on the amount of people who can join, just so we can have a good spam-free community from the beginning. I'll probably let 500 to 1,000 people in for the first maybe 6 months. And as soon as that's settled, everything is going, the processes are in place, I will let more people in. This is not fake scarcity. I'm 100% serious. Just like the mastermind, which I'm doing, maximum of 50 people, not more. And I know that a lot of marketers use the fake scarcity to put pressure on the people to join, right? But I've always been super transparent. Like the forum isn't even ready, I'm not already telling you the price. I'm already telling you what to expect. Does this mean I'm not going to provide any more information on YouTube and Facebook? It does not. I will still make, or try to make, 1 YouTube video a day, and I'm still very active in the Facebook group. However, as I feel like I'm not able to share everything I know, but especially you don't get everything you need. You get like 50% of the tools you need, and all the other information I just can't share. It's just basically not allowed. It's too much of a risk for me. And therefore I think this forum is a very good move on my end, and especially for you guys. To answer some frequently asked questions, no, there will be no free trial. No, you can get free access. I gave away 3 access passes in my Facebook group already. I might do that a little bit more as well for some people who have shown crazy dedication to the Facebook group and to me in the end. So I might do that as well. What were the other questions? Yeah, I don't know. the discount and the free trial was basically the main things. I don't think a free trial makes sense because I want to limit the amount of people seeing the information. I don't want full-blown access, like 10,000 people reading the secret hacks, because then everybody's going to use it. I only want the action takers. And from what I've seen, I have full analytics in my Facebook group. About 3,000 people took my training so far, and only maybe 100 people implemented, took action, of which 50 successful. So can you imagine 50 people out of 3,000? And those are exactly the people I want inside this forum. Not because I think I will get any value from it, but I think they have the right skills to learn fast and accelerate their success. And that's what this is all about. It's not about me making money, although I'm always very transparent, and this would be another income stream for my business. Let's say if you have 1,000 members, it would be $30,000 a month for me, which is still a significant amount of money. It's not anything real big like CPA money, but it's still, for a fun side project, it's still super cool, obviously. So I would just want to leave you with that. I'm completely transparent about anything. You can ask me anything in the comments down below if you want. And I think it might take a week or 2 weeks as of today that the forum will be finished. I will make several posts about the forum in my Facebook group, but I will also post them on YouTube explaining a thing or two and obviously giving away some free access passes. So I hope you guys enjoy me putting in some effort for this community. And if you do, please like this video. I have a lot of haters lately and I love them as well, but they keep disliking my videos. So if you could give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.